Bitcoin is the largest crypto by market cap, and most people expect it to always stay there. The problem is that unless you got into Bitcoin back in 2011 or 2013, when it was just less than $1 per token or a few dollars per token, you're not going to yield the same returns. You're not going to become a millionaire from Bitcoin. It's just starting with a few $1,000s. But that is where new projects come into place. Some people look at meme coins, some people look at other layer one cryptos. I want to talk about today a project that I invested in that is trying to do a lot of the same things as Bitcoin when it was first started, but it's basically resetting Bitcoin back to what it was at in 2011. And it's called Bitcoin BSC. Think of it like a Bitcoin built on the Binance Smart Chain network. So it has all of the same aspects in terms of tokenomics as Bitcoin did. It has the same total supply with 21 million Bitcoin BSC tokens. It has the same initial price of 99 cents per token. You could see there in a pre-sale, and 1 BTC BSC is equal to 99 cents per token. And instead of having miners who periodically mine Bitcoin, like we all know happens, with Bitcoin BSC, it is a stake to earn a project, ultimately allowing that if you own Bitcoin BTSC, if you own BTC BSC, you can go ahead and stake these tokens to then generate consistent passive income. So you don't need to mine the tokens, you simply can stake them. And that is basically what Bitcoin BSC is. It is a Bitcoin on the Binance Smart Chain network. And instead of being able to mine tokens, you simply can stake your tokens and generate those same rewards. So it's actually easier to generate passive income with Bitcoin BSC than it is to go ahead and mine Bitcoin. So a few things I want to talk about with this project. So I did recently buy some of this token, and you can see I wanted to connect a new wallet right here. It's very simple to go about connecting a wallet. You can either connect with a MetaMask or like with a Trust wallet. It's easy to do. And right now, 1 BTC BSC token is equal to 99 cents. You can buy it with BNB, USDT. I connected a Binance Smart Chain wallet, but you can also buy it with ETH or USDT ERC20. So all you need to do is make sure to input how much BNB you want to buy, and it'll give you the exact amount of tokens you will receive. You could either buy it now or buy and stake for a 290% APY. So that is something that is pretty simple to do, because if you've seen any of our videos in the past, the way you buy into pre-sales is very similar for Bitcoin BSC as it is with other projects. The thing that stands out with Bitcoin BSC for me, in my opinion, is that Bitcoin BSC is a green BEP20 version of Bitcoin built on the Binance Smart Chain network. And the thing that's important about this is people say, well, why wouldn't you just use Bitcoin? Why would you just not invest in Bitcoin? Why would you even need Bitcoin BSC? The problem is that most people did not have the opportunity or the chance to invest in Bitcoin back in 2011. They didn't know about crypto. They might have been scared about it. They might have sold it. And as a result of this, they missed out on those, 100, 200, 300,000x gains from getting into Bitcoin early. And now, no matter what amount of money you put into Bitcoin, you're not going to get 100 or 1,000x returns. It's literally impossible, considering that Bitcoin is well over a $500 million market cap. So the reason why someone would buy Bitcoin BSC is because it's a chance to buy Bitcoin back as if it was 2011 at that 99 cents per token. But not only this, there's a few additional benefits, in my opinion, to Bitcoin BSC versus Bitcoin. The thing that really stands out is that you can earn passive income by staking. So Bitcoin BSC is not a fork of Bitcoin. It's not a project that's just trying to raise a bunch of money and then sell off. It ultimately is a project that has all of the tokenomics and aspects of its project laid out identical to Bitcoin. But instead of having to mine like you do with Bitcoin, you can simply go about staking. And the staking schedule and the earning income schedule from staking mimics the exact same schedule as Bitcoin mining reward. So this is like over a 100-year period where it's going to gradually release these tokens to people who are staking Bitcoin BSC. So that is something that is really unique. You can see that right now, the total that they're trying to raise is $3.96 million. They've already raised over $1.89 million. They've talked about this on their Twitter just a few hours ago when they had reached 1.8 million raised, and they've been growing exponentially over the last few weeks. One of the main reasons why I think they've been growing is because they recently also just had a audit come back from CoinSalt on September 4th, and in this audit, they passed basically everything, and there was nothing to worry about in terms of anything with the smart contract. It's exactly how they say it's designed. Just everything in terms of an audit that you want to see. You can see they got passing scores for everything, which is something that is very important to me, and I would assume for most people investing in any pre-sale project. So you can check that out. I'll link it down below. In addition to having the same tokenomics as Bitcoin in terms of total supply, that token release, that staking schedule, and also that initial price of 99 cents, the other thing that is really unique about Bitcoin BSC is that Bitcoin BSC is a stake to earn project ultimately. So that is the key difference between Bitcoin BSC and Bitcoin. So Bitcoin BSC will provide passive income from all holders who stake their BTC BSC tokens in the smart contract. 69% of the token supply, or 14.455 million tokens, will be paid out to participants in the staking pool as rewards every 10 minutes, and you can buy and stake tokens at any time with a 7-day lock or on withdrawal. Rewards are based on your percentage of the total staking pool. So ultimately, the more you have staked, the more of the total pool you'll receive. So it's pretty simple and straightforward in that sense. Last few things I'm going to go over is going to be in terms of the advantages of BNB, but also its roadmap. So some of the advantages of being built on BNB lists right here. But it also shows a little bit further down comparisons between Bitcoin BTSC and other projects. So BNB Smart Chain advantage, they say, is BNB Smart Chain is built on the code of Ethereum, providing both proven security and smart contract capabilities. You can save money on gas fees with BNB Smart Chain transactions being both quicker and cheaper than Ethereum. And you can easily access BTC BSC through your regular Trust Wallet or MetaMask decentralized applications. So this is something that is very important because with Bitcoin, you can't always go about easily buying it on a MetaMask or a Trust Wallet. It's not so easy to do. You can't just store it there. But with this, because it's a Binance Smart Chain project, you can store your BTC BSC tokens on your MetaMask. You could also buy it, sell it, swap it there as well when it does launch. Last few things is going to be with the roadmap. When you're looking at the roadmap, it has 4 main stages. Stage 1, which is when the pre-sale starts. Stage 2, when staking opens. Stage 3, token launch. And Stage 4, passive income. Ultimately, it lays out all the specifics of this, but most importantly, it was Q3 2023 where staking is open. You can see now how you can buy and stake tokens for 290% APY. So that is where we are currently. But when Q4 rolls around, we're going to see the token launch, which is going to be when BTC BSC is set to launch on DEXs and start to be able to buy and sell these tokens, not just directly from their website. And then stage 4 is going to be passive income, where BTC BSC holders can stake their tokens and get paid out daily. These rewards accrue every single 10 minutes. So it simulates the exact block schedule of Bitcoin. And this is going to take over a period of 120 years. So you could stake it and just earn consistent rewards basically forever, like your whole life. So that's something that is very, very exciting. When you're looking at Bitcoin BTSC versus some of the Bitcoin clone comparisons, the things that really stand out for Bitcoin BTSC is that it simply aims to merge the speed, low cost, and reliability of BNB Smart Chain with passive income. You can see that being proof of stake makes it much more energy efficient and much more green than all the other competitors. All the other competitors are POW. For passive income, it has passive income in the form of staking when all the other competitors don't, like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, don't have that aspect to it. Speed, it's significantly faster. It's significantly cheaper in terms of transaction fees. And all of these things are not going to make it replace Bitcoin, in my opinion, but it makes it a good alternative for people who might have missed out on getting into Bitcoin when it first launched. So if you're looking to get into a project that has significant potential, that has strong tokenomics, well, Bitcoin BSC is mimicking the tokenomics of Bitcoin, has also that additional stake to earn mechanism, and it's mimicking the exact price of Bitcoin back in April of 2011. So this is a product that did add to my portfolio. I used a Trust Wallet for that, and if you want to go ahead and buy some, you can do it directly on their website. They still are in pre-sale. So let me know your thoughts on this. Curious to see what you guys think.